Mrs. of the Living, please keep me anonymous. I was about to marry her until I found out that she was a demon. Let's call her Alice. I met Alice at my workplace. We talked, exchanged numbers, and in just 2 weeks, we were dating. Alice wasn't just beautiful. She was spiritual, thoughtful, and treated my sick mother like her own. We fasted together and slept in the same room, but we were still celibate. She made me feel like I had finally found peace. On her birthday, I proposed. She cried and said yes. Her mom hugged me like I was her own son. Someone said, "You are lucky." Mrs. of the Living, what I didn't know is that Alice worked at a private hospital. She had a lot of emergency night shifts. She will come home very tired, carrying baby clothes or bottles. She said they were for orphanage donation. I didn't question it. One day, I visited her hospital with food, and they all knew that she was my fiancée. A man pulled me aside. He looked at me and said, "Are you going to marry Nurse Alice?" I said, "Yes." He shook his head slowly and whispered, "Some baby no go reach their mother." Then he walked away. The word of the man haunted me, and I started watching her differently. I asked her a question. "Alice, what happened to the babies when they died in your hospital?" She replied quickly, "We write a report and move on." Why do you ask? Alex's hands were shaking. I created a fake account and joined a group where young mothers shared their birth story on Facebook. One post hit me like a truck. I delivered at so and so hospital, and they said my baby died but never saw the body. It was Alice's hospital. Alice forgot her work diary at home. Curiosity dragged me in, and I opened and I saw names and amount of money that her clients pay for newborn baby. Like 12K, 15K, 18K, and 20K. She rushed home to fetch her diary. When she came and saw the diary in my hands, she was so shocked. So when I confronted her, she cried, confessed, and asked for my forgiveness. Guys, my heart is shattered. I did not know what to do. Must I end the relationship and report her to the police, or forgive and marry her? Help me, because I'm in a state of confusion. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more beautiful stories. Thank you.